Hi, so you're going to be doing a small app in which I want to show how to do like sum of orders, average of order values, minimum or maximum, and so on. So so this is how it looks, and this is what we are going to create. So this is the total to sell, and if we go back, this is what goes into a text box, you know. So I'm going to be setting up a another web page, start from scratch. Let's call it Excel 3. So let's drag a image here. Let's drag a text box. So let me getting an image that's on my file here. And here I'm going to do some I'll create a new data structure as well. So let's say new type orders, and we'll have these fields: date by, which is field type date, description, field type text, field type number, create. So we will go and create some app data for our orders. New entry, date by 04/12/2025, 12:00 a.m. Description, oranges, order value 100, create, new entry, date by, yeah. So let's go back to this design feature, and let's drag a repeating group here. This is my repeating group. We have to set initially, we set fixed, it somehow let the less hassles there, and then later on we will remove it, So type of content, orders. Okay, now let's show a text here. That will be insert dynamic data, current sales order, description. And if I click here, it should become blue. So that is okay. The next thing that I want to copy here is another text box that will have the value. Insert orders. So I also insert another text box here. Maybe we have to make this or maybe here. Insert dynamic data, data source, current sale orders, order value. Click outside and it's blue. So now let's have a preview. I have to now be sure that I got the connection to my database. So type of content order and do a search for type orders close. So if I go back here, so let's go and see if it works. Okay, so I'm getting the description and I'm getting the value, So that is working. And now I go back to my design. I introduced two text boxes here. One is a kind of a label I use. So this is my label. And the other text box is where I'm going to be creating that sum, So I did do a search for, then I picked up the orders. Then I go down below, I will get this thing called each items. Then I pick up the order value, then I do the sum. And now let's see if this, yeah, so now it is showing the sum. So I can go back here, and that is the way. And we'll also show what is the maximum order value. So I'm going to drag a text here, and this text editor. And then there will be a text box here which will show us the maximum order value. And then we click on this more. Then we go to each item's order value. And we do max. So that is how and we can go back and check now. So max is 100, total order value is 150. So that is how we do a numerical computation of a list of number, any number measure column there,